Okay, welcome everyone. With the Mandalorian Season 3 coming out next week, I decided to jump on and try and get some cheap clicks with that. So I got the helmet, and what I can only assume was a fit of temporary insanity, I bought an LED kit for it. I'm not sure what prompted me to do that. It was after I had my experience with that last LED kit, where there was such a headache on the Razor Crest, but this one, it looks like the lights go right up and down the middle, and this one supposedly has a motion sensor where you can just wave your hand under it, or some effect like that. So, let's pop this open and see what have I got myself into. That sounded like a lot of bags. Fairly thick book. I know that sounds terrible, sorry guys. Okay, he's got 5 bags in this one. I sort of want to get this done in 2 shots, two videos, and then a third video putting the light kit in. So that's my plan at this stage. That being said, I will get bag 1 out, null it out, have everything ready, and come right back. So let's wait and see. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's the first bag done. I'm assuming you're never going to see most of this stuff ever again. Lots of connection points and stuff to, yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, I don't know what the little spikes on the side are for, but I trust the Lego people. Only one stud left over. That's interesting. Usually there's more than that, but I'll set that to the side, and now I'll bring out bag number 2. Okay, that takes us through bag number 2. It feels like a helmet. It's solid. Get all these things squished. Make sure everything's squished together good. Got the real metallic strip down the middle there. That looks cool. Looks like it's really taking shape. You can see. Yeah, that's it. That's the top of his head. That's bag 2. Bag 3, how much is... Bag 3 looks like it's just a platform. I think I'm going to go ahead and do bag 3 today, whatever time you're watching this. So let me put this way and I'll get that out and get it going. Be right back. as you saw there at the end, it helps when you follow the instructions. Looking good. Mando's, as I eat, it's stout. It's going to look good on display. Got the adjustable. I am glad they put they used, you know, the logo and everything on it, so I didn't have to put it on crooked. You know that vent details on the back. I don't know if there's any more. There's a few more of the shiny silver pieces, but it's obviously it's going to end up being the gray mostly. I'm digging it so far. Hope y'all are too. You know, so this is the first one of these I've done, and after doing this one, I may do Boba Fett. That's what I always liked him too. But that being said, I'm going to cut it off there today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.